Director of Bhartiyam School. This school is started by our chairman Sir Shri Umesh Chand Bansal. He has spent majority of his period lifespan in child's development and education sector. His vision is always to develop a child's overall development, that is his mental development, his academic development as well as his psychological development. He always wanted to make a place available for every child where he should learn by doing, provide an environment for the students where they should be curious to learn and not forced to be learned, even by teachers or nor even by parents. Me and my team is working towards accomplishing his vision and his goals. We would be happy if we are able to provide some good citizens to our country. We have always taken traditional teachings and virtual teachings simultaneously, for which EduVate is our partner and supporting to achieving our goal.
I am the principal of Bhartiyam School. This school has the legacy to provide the excellent education. It is considered the best school in the nearby the area which are situated in the Greater Noida. This school providing the excellent education. Along with the excellent education, the teachers provide the emotional attachment with the sound learners of their concerned subject. There are so many schools which are providing the good education, but they are not producing the good citizen of India. Our first and foremost target is to provide the society the good citizen of India. That's why along with the emotional attachment, we are providing the sound knowledge to the student so that they convert into the best citizen of India. I think the school should be considered as the second home to the student where they can feel secure and safe. And Bhartiyam School providing the same thing. Thank you, Ernest.
I am Pinky Singh, Senior Coordinator of Bhartiyam School. Bhartiyam giving to purpose of life to many students, taking them to greatest height of life. We have well-experienced teachers and well-equipped classrooms. We are giving quality education by using smart boards and innovative technologies. We are using EduVate curriculum for the children to grow in all the areas of life and giving the holistic development of life. Now the question arises, how the holistic development of child occur? If kids are learning some concept, how should we learn? By mugging up? No, not at all. He will learn himself by using kit provided by the EduVate, doing the experiments, performances under the guidance of teachers, and teaches the concepts in such a way he will never ever forget it. Our school always encourages to the teachers and accept to the challenge and find the best solution even at the time of unfavorable conditions. Thank you.
I am Prachi Singh. As a coordinator of our pre-primary classes, our schools provide adaptive learning environments for our school. It is not only related to learning facts but also experience and observing its thoughts, visualize and learning by doing. After mother, teacher is a second mother of so small children, and accordingly we provided overall mental, cultural, spiritual, physical as well as the academics development for every child. And for its support, we have aligned with the EduVate with the help our school by giving technical support as well as get connect with the teachers and parents for implementing the curriculum effectively. Thank you.
मैं भारतीयम स्कूल के बारे में आप सबको अवगत कराना चाहता हूं कि जब मैंने अपने बच्चों को इस स्कूल में प्रवेश कराया तो यहाँ के सुरम्य वातावरण एवं प्रबुद्ध शिक्षकों के द्वारा की गई शिक्षा से बच्चों की मानसिक व शैक्षणिक